Wow. Wow. Do this, guys. You have to do this. It's so simple. Oh my God. Yes! It's delicious. Today, I am going to show you how to make walnut milk. Here we go. Step 1. You need water. Kangen Water, 9.5. First, you're gonna get your 1 cup of walnuts in your blender. Add some water. And shake that thing down to the little ting, 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 to the little ting, 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 ting. So this is the walnut milk, and it has a beautiful creamy consistency and it tastes delicious. You can add some spices. So this is my own personal nutmeg at home. This is some sweet cloves, cinnamon, sweet pepper, honey, and a little bit of salt to get that sweet flavor up. You can put some honey. Okay, so let's check on our walnut milk. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my goodness. Look at that consistency. Look how beautiful those bubbles are. Can you see that? Unbelievable. Delicious. Cheers, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know if you did this at home and what you think.